2022 Toyota Camry window master switch replacement. So to get this out, it's actually pretty easy. So we're just gonna get this panel out right here, and then disconnect a couple connectors. I got a plastic pry bar here. I highly recommend this tool. We're gonna go in from the back, get it in this little spot, and just wiggle and turn this tool until it pops up. Kind of get the rest of it a little popped up, but don't worry about the front area. So what you want to do is lift the back side of this upwards and then pull it straight back. So straight back like this, like that. Okay, and then this will come out. Now we're going to disconnect these two connectors. They're kind of, my fingers are too fat to get these connectors off. The reason why I said pull it straight back is because this has a metal or a plastic tab that like kind of snakes in. It like nosedives in over there, so that's why we had to pull it straight back. A small little screwdriver like this or something similar is good to get these connectors off. The buttons are like little buttons, and I mean, I wish they'd make them bigger. But you just push the button, try not to stress the wire harness out. Go ahead and get that out, and then we'll get the other one out. Just go ahead and just get this one out. And then obviously hold the panel so it doesn't fall and get scratched or broke. Okay, I got that out. It's a lot easier with two hands. Once we have this off, we're going to go set it to the side, and we're going to get a screwdriver and take out the 3 screws that are holding this master switch on. This comes right off like that. And then we're going to put our new one on. I'll link the new one below. The new one just drops right in, and then you put the screws in. Try to make sure that it's like really in place. Like sometimes they get a little like crooked, and then you put the screws in and it breaks the screw spots, or it just messes something up. So try to make sure it's lined up right, and then put your screws in. All right, boom, that's like that. Then we'll put that in right here. Just gonna plug the connectors in first, of course, before we put it in. And we're gonna nosedive this front part like that. When we do put it in, I got my connectors on right there, and then I'm going to nosedive this in, gently lay it down. There's a lot of tabs to line up, just to make sure, just kind of go one at a time, just kind of gently push it in place, you know. And then right here, just make sure this red one goes into place, and then you can just kind of push it in place, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you how to initialize the windows when you have your new switch window. Any window that's automatic, this one has all 4. If you disconnect the battery, or just for whatever reason it forgets, you could just reinitialize it. All you do is you roll the window up, and then you hold the button up for 5 seconds, and then you're gonna push it down and hold it down for 5 seconds. After it reaches the bottom, just hold it down for 5 seconds, and then you just taught the window the parameters of up and down, and it should do it. You might have to do it for each window, but try that first before you replace any master switch. And if you replace your master switch and it's not working or whatever reason, you have to reinitialize it first. Anyways, just want to let you know that. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for Oxido LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap, they don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the Oxido website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up. And these are available on Amazon as well, but if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar, it's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic mechanic bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.